This is Connor with AE Drainage. We got another 6-inch PVC line going in surface water. We get our sod pieces to this side and put our dirt on another side. Check elevations with our level. First thing, make sure we got elevation going out and we can make this happen with gravity. And then of course, make sure that our utilities are located. And as you can see, this is a fiber optics right here and it has no markings going up to the house. All our markings are marked back there, but they had no markings here, so we call for a no mark, and then we locate this, safely uncover it. Sometimes they get hit. We definitely want to avoid it if we at all can. Anyways, 6-inch PVC going in. See the guys working hard. Got onto the irrigation. So basically the process is, A, get the slope, open your ditch. We try to trench it down to undisturbed ground, and then everything that's dug is, loose material, of course, because we're excavating it here, but we're trying to get it down to solid dirt so that when we put our pipes, that it's sitting on compacted solid ground. And then basically we go through these 12 by 12 basins the homeowner actually already had, so we were reusing them. And then we got 6-inch hubs, and of course we pipe wrap tape them like this on the hubs, and then we glue all the rest of the joints, purple primer and blue glue or Christie's hot or whatever. You can see our hubs. Here's our pipe. So we use SDR 35 or ASTM 3034 PVC. I don't really like 2729. 3034 is a little bit better grade wall and a decent price. It looks cheaper than Schedule 40. And then this one's white. It also comes in green. See this? You see, we pipe wrap our joints on the boxes because the joints on the boxes are the only places where this is a mechanical fitting, right, versus glue. So we go ahead and tape them like that. And again, we like the white pipe for SDR 35 versus the green because we always come up for these gutter risers and we put these clean outs on them like that. So the white just looks better than the green. So he actually had a sump pump pit in here, which wasn't very set up well. But the other problem with that is the amount of water that he had coming in his property. You can't rely on a sump pump. And the reason is because they have a certain GPM or GPH, and it's just with Mother Nature and rain coming, gravity is going to be more reliable. Also, they didn't upsize their pit. So this pit is not perforated. So you're really only subject, or your only available water while it's raining is here until that pump kicks on, and then it sucks it down, and it fills up, but it's raining, sucks it down, and so this pit is going to short cycle all the time, and it's just not putting out enough flow to keep up with some of these major storms that we have. Versus if you have a gravity drain, especially if you're in a low slope situation, you want to use a large diameter pipe if you can fit it in the ground, right? Because what it does is it buys you more volume, more time for that water to travel through that line and get through. So, if you got better slope and major slope going down available on the property, it's great because then that means the water can go through faster. If it's a low slope, bigger pipe is your friend because then you have more space for more water to slowly travel through there. You still got to get slope. You got to get slope though. It's most important. So what we do is we use a transit level, right, or laser level. Just make sure that we can pitch the pipe out. And you can see our basins lined up. Come across, and then this kind of grades up like that to the fence or to the gate. So we're kind of in a bowl back here. And this was an extreme situation where his water was above that rock board, and that's like a 2 by 10 or 2 by 12 or something there. Okay, anybody need help with their drainage systems or drainage advice or inspections, just let us know. My name's Connor, is AE Drainage. Number is 936-827-6017. Thank you.